Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about interior and exterior angles in polygons. So, what are interior and exterior angles? An interior angle is the angle formed inside a polygon, where two sides meet. An exterior angle is formed outside the polygon when one side is extended. Now, let's look at some rules. The sum of interior angles of a polygon equals open bracket n minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. For example, a triangle where n equals 3, open bracket 3 minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 180 equals 180 degrees. A quadrilateral where n equals 4, open bracket 4 minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 180 equals 360 degrees. A pentagon where n equals 5, open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 180 equals 540 degrees. The sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees, no matter how many sides. Another key fact, an interior angle and its adjacent exterior angle are always supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. Let's check some examples. A regular hexagon has 6 sides. Interior angle equals open bracket 6 minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 180 divided by 6 equals 120 degrees. Exterior angle equals 60 degrees. Notice 120 plus 60 equals 180 degrees. In a square, each interior angle equals 90 degrees and each exterior angle equals 90 degrees. Together, they still add to 180 degrees. So to summarize, interior angle equals inside a polygon, exterior angle equals outside on extended line. Sum of interior angles equals open, bracket n minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 100, and 80 degrees. Sum of exterior angles equals 360 degrees, interior plus exterior, equals 180 degrees, and that's your introduction to interior and exterior angles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.